Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to build a copper golem. First, let's gather the necessary materials. You'll need 1 block of copper, which is crafted from 9 copper ingots. You can find copper ore while mining, then smelt it in a furnace. Additionally, grab a pumpkin and use shears on it to create a carved pumpkin. These 2 simple items are all you need to begin your golem adventure in Minecraft. Building your copper golem is incredibly straightforward. Start by placing your single copper block on the ground. Next, take your carved pumpkin and place it directly on top of that copper block. Just like that, your adorable new copper golem will spring to life. It will also instantly spawn with a unique copper chest right beside it, ready for its important sorting duties in your world. So, what exactly does this little buddy do? Your copper golem is a fantastic item sorter. It will diligently take items from its special copper chest and then intelligently distribute them into any nearby regular chests that already contain the same type of item. This makes organizing your base much easier, helping you maintain a neat and efficient storage system with minimal effort. Like all copper items, your golem will oxidize over time, gradually changing its color and appearance. If you prefer its current look, you can wax it with a honeycomb to stop the oxidation process. Should your golem fully oxidize into a decorative statue, don't worry. A simple scrape with an axe will bring your friendly companion back to life, ready to sort once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.